And of course, this is totally linked with the aggression in Aleppo and in Rojava in general, which is conducted by the Syrian government and Syrian forces with a logistic support of Turkey. All the international organizations, starting with the European Union, need to speak up and say clearly that that is a breach of international law, that it is against all democratic principles, and that measures can and could be taken against the two states, Syria and Turkey, if they go that way, if they do not stop the aggression. Then some states would like peace processes to fail because they feel more comfortable in a confrontation political sphere. But I think that we that are on the side of peace processes, we need to be strong and resist and not fall into those provocations. That is the point where international solidarity is very, very important, and where international solidarity needs to show all the support to the Kurdish population, both in Turkey and in the rest of the territories in Syria. Ocalan's move asking for peace and a democratic society is the most revolutionary thing that can be done now in 2026. Because he is insisting on peace, and we need to resist, and we need to support all the politicians that are working for that. I think that I am grateful to Ocalan because he is proposing hope to the world. Because if the situation is better in Kurdistan in general and in Turkey in particular, then the situation in the region will be much better, and we still have the problem of Palestine and so many other peoples. Then the situation will become better and better. We need Ocalan out of Imral. We need him because we know that he has the charisma, he has the personality that is needed now, so that the peace process really is a peace process that will be the definitive peace process. And we are convinced that it is the correct time to have the real definitive peace process. So I will end with a message of international solidarity. We will always be with Ocalan, so time will come, and I would be so glad to one day meet him out of Imral.